Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have the May 2023 box spoilers for the Allure Beauty Box to share with you. So if you like my spoiler videos, this one will be another one for you where I kind of pull up some information from third-party websites, give you some reviews and things like that from real customers, and then also provide you a little bit of more information about the ingredients and things all in one video. So if you are interested in the May box, if you subscribe today, which is April 26th, you're going to actually get the April box. So my recommendation is if you only want the May box, to make sure you go in on May 1st. I do have a personal referral link. It'll get you $10 off your first box, I believe. And then I get like a coupon for some sort of purchase in the member store. I've never used it, so not entirely sure how that works. And then I also have a Rakuten personal referral link below as well. And with that, you're going to be able to get some additional cash back. And then also, if you make a purchase on the Allure Beauty Box website, you also get up to $5 cash back as well. They have a couple of other deals going on, so that's flashing through right here. But without further ado, let me get into the lineup for the May box. So when I made my Best of Beauty award winner box video, I did have two spoilers in there, and they do show up in this box, and they were confirmed. So let me just get started here. So let me scroll on down. The price has gone up since April, so just so you know that, but let me tell you about the first item. This is from Sunday Riley. It's the B3 Nice 10% Niacinamide Serum, and this is a full-size item. And I believe this is a new launch from This is a brand new launch from Sunday Riley. Sorry about that. It's the B3 Nice 10% Niacinamide Serum, and again, it'll be the full-size item, so that's a $65 value. So this is the information, so before and after 7 days of use. Here is information. So in the first 2 weeks, 100% showed a reduction in post-acne dark spots, improvement in oiliness. In 4 weeks, 100% saw skin was clearer, reduction in redness. 96% showed improvement in wrinkles. And then in 8 weeks, 100% saw a reduction in pore size. This is going to be the texture. It's a water-based fast-absorbing serum. And these are the three call-out ingredients that they have, which is 10% niacinamide, the resveratrol, and the bratenil. So let me scroll down. So again, since this is going to be a new launch, sometimes people don't give the fullest of reviews because, they got that for free for their review, but just letting you know that. So when I get to the reviews, just make sure you have that in the back of your mind. So it's good for redness, pores, and that's best for oily combo and normal skin, good for dark spots. And then also it is niacinamide, and it's made cruelty-free. It's a water-based niacinamide serum supercharged with resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size, surface redness, and blotchy tone. Sorry if you hear the car alarm. And this is the ingredients list for you. So when I made my other video, I did mention this, but definitely take a closer look. They have a lot of extracts and things in here. And then also there's just a lot of citrus oils in here. So make sure you take a closer look if you are anybody who's sensitive to anything citrus related. So let me pull this open. Use as many drops as needed to neck, face, and décolleté. After cleansing and prepping the skin, use once or twice per day. So a 4.7 star rating, 699 reviews. So that's what I mean. Sometimes I feel like, this is just my personal opinion, when people get it gifted, they tend to give a lot more 5 stars, but that's just my opinion. But this is the first review. So I just realized after I made my video last time, or as I was making it, that they actually sorted by the newest on Sephora, which I appreciate. But this person gave it 3 stars, so I appreciate them for, it looks like, reviewing it. So it says, not a huge difference, but it's very drying. Usually a huge fan of Sunday Riley products. Most of their formulations work perfectly for my skin. However, this specific serum seems to be the exception. It didn't really result in much change or improvement in hyperpigmentation, brightness, or plumpness of the skin. I also never use a niacinamide every single day, but since that was the recommendation for this product, I tried it out and it dried my skin out a lot. I will go back to only using this 1 to 2 times per week, but the changes haven't been significant. So I appreciate them for giving a very in-depth review. This person didn't really give that much of a review. So this person here says, was gifted, serum is an excellent choice for those with acne scars, blemishes, and large pores. Niacinamide serums are among my favorites since they soothe the skin and regulate oil production. Sunday Riley serum is both indulgent and exceptionally lightweight. Incorporating the serum into your morning routine would be ideal. Again, this is my opinion. I don't like them telling people what they should do. But anyway, let me move on to the next item. This one is going to be the other item that was for sure confirmed, because if you are a member through the Allure Beauty Box website, not through like Amazon, you were able to actually choose your shade. So this is the Refi Brow Pomade in your choice of shade, light, medium, or dark, and this will also be a full-size product. So let me pull it open. This is from Sephora again, and I did choose my shade. I believe I chose medium. This is a $20 value, and let me show you. This is what the shades look like on different skin tones. And then let me scroll on down. It's a cream formula matte finish made without parabens, and it's vegan. Brow pomade that adds depth and shade to your brows with its cream-based formula and fills in your brows with the specially designed angular brush. It's a cream-based pomade, with a matte finish is the perfect product to give depth and to shade the eyebrow. Each shade can be built up to create several different shades. Use the angular brush to fill in your brow. And then it says, add a small amount of product to the tip of the brush, apply to your brow to fill in and shade any gaps between hairs, add more product to build up color if needed. So if you tried this product, let me know. If you've tried any of the products, let me know. So it has a 4.3 star rating with 49 reviews, and it looks kind of like all over the map. A lot of 2 stars, which is kind of interesting, but let me scroll down. This person has 4 stars. Natural looking, easy application, best brow product ever. It's not as defining as a pencil, so it looks super natural. It lasts me throughout the day and is easy application. So let's see. Product applies a little unevenly and dries out rather quickly compared to other brands. And let's give this 3 star. Packaging isn't the most user-friendly. It's a wonderful product, but I'm not a fan of the packaging. I feel like you don't have much control over how much product you pick up. Oh, I do think I understand what they mean. I felt the same about the Benefit product. So let me move on. By the Benefit mud, I mean the brow styler that I got for a review one time. This is from, I still can't pronounce it. Let me know how you pronounce this brand. Oma Beauty. It's the Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner in Ross. And it's going to also be a full-size product. So this is the final full size in the box. This is, again, I was able to pull it from Ulta, $16 value. And this is the shade Ross. So it's kind of like a, I don't know, burgundy sort of shade. Actually, this is a better area to look at. So it's kind of like a dusty rose burgundy, I guess. I don't know, I'm not good at describing reds. This one is the best-selling Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. Matte its match with the new collection of Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liners. And it's highly pigmented, silky smooth, adds definition and structure, and it is designed to be paired with your favorite matching lipstick. This is how to use, and then these are the ingredients for you. So it does have fragrance in here, just to let you know, and then also some different oils and such. Let me scroll on down. And this looks to be also a new sort of product. 4.8 stars with 4 reviews. This person says, color was a surprise. Got a lot of pigment and texture is nice and smooth. I got the color Angelou, so not the same one as in the box. Thought it looked like a dusty pink on the screen, but an application is very brown, so we'll return it. This person says, so pigmented and creamy. The only liner I've ever liked. Good color, long lasting, and don't even feel it. Helps keep my lip oil in place and glides on my lips. Just so you know, those are the stellar reviews there. So I'm going to go on to what are going to be some deluxe sample sizes. So the first one here is the Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo from Eva NYC or Ava. $13 value for the full size. So I think that the sample size was going to be, I think, 1 ounce if I recall correctly. I might not have recalled correctly, so don't quote me on that. But this is what it looks like here. This is the before and after. And then the before and after. It's an invisible formula instantly revives lifeless hair by absorbing excess oil and odor, leaving it clean, fresh, and bouncy. And it is Conscious Beauty, I guess. Gives you that just washed look even on day 3. Certified cruelty-free through Leaping Bunny, certified vegan and certified GMO-free. Free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, SLES, MIT, MCIT, mineral oil, nanoparticles, triglyceride, triclocarban, BHT, BHA, oxybenzone, and benzophenone. And its packaging is 100% recyclable. My opinion, that's greenwashing. But argan oil contains high levels of essential fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and vitamins A, C, and E. Plant protein hydrates and smooths damage for healthy-looking hair, reduces appearance of breakage, making brittle hair feel silky smooth. And rice starch is a light and porous powder that absorbs dirt and oils while providing separation, volume, and texture to your locks. Use it on dry hair. Shake can before use and hold 10 to 12 inches away. That's kind of far. I don't know. I'm not a huge dry shampoo connoisseur, but it seems kind of far. And then massage through roots. These are the ingredients here. It does have some denatured alcohol and some fragrance added and stuff like that. Let me know if you've tried this product before. Let me scroll on down. The scent is the signature scent are notes of freesia, white flowers, woody, warm amber, bourbon, vanilla, and white musk. Warm, fresh scent. I like how it's like official answer by do not use. Let me scroll down. It's funny, all of the official answers are do not use. Okay, I haven't brought, let's see here. Most helpful positive review. Yum. First of all, dry shampoo smells absolutely amazing. I can't even describe the smell, but if I had to, I'd say a mix between mango strawberry cream smoothie. It's so good. Let's see. After applying this dry shampoo, I wait a minute or two, then I go through my hair and rub it through. Then you can brush. Oh my gosh. There's so many different ways they spelled through. With a brush, but I usually skip this step. It has the perfect amount of powder or whatever it is. Doesn't look white at all after rubbing in and completely soaks up oil. This is a must buy. I bought this shampoo because it had so many great reviews, but for me, I have semi-thin straight hair. It did hardly anything. It removed oil initially, but after 1 hour, my hair looked the same as before. It smells nice and made my hair feel softer, but not worth it. Didn't do its job, will be returning. So that's the review there. So the next item is going to be, let me scroll back up here to show you. It's going to be this mask. So this is a revitalizing sheet mask by Lipo Beauty, or with Lipo Beauty technology. It's a $13 value, and that is for one mask alone. So in my opinion, that's way too pricey for one sheet mask, which is why it's great. I can try it out in the subscription box. The box of 5 is $55. So you don't even get you get a slight discount, I guess, for buying 5. Okay, calming, firming, skin soothing Centella anti-aging sheet mask that strengthens the skin barrier and deeply moisturizes skin to provide anti-aging protection, giving the skin a tighter, smoother, more luminous, and lifted complexion. Helps soothe and repair irritated or sensitive skin, strengthens skin barrier to provide protection from free radicals and environmental damage. Powerfully moisturizes with hero ingredients such as blue agave and sodium hyaluronate and sweet almond seed for a plumped and luminous complexion. Oh, I'm kind of worried. I'm allergic to almond oil, the sweet almond oil, or sensitive to it, not allergic. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to reveal a more youthful appearance, provides tightening and lifting benefits for the skin, engineered with Lipo Beauty, Lipo Buddy, TM technology. Gentle on all skin types for aging, roughness, dryness, loss of firmness and elasticity, wrinkles, dullness, sun damage, weakened skin barrier, sensitive and irritated skin. So let me pull up here. There's something else here, the reviews. So Cindy said it makes skin feel so smooth, plump, firm, and glowy after using sheet mask. Effects are so obvious, even my boyfriend, who rarely notices these things, commented how nice my skin looks. It honestly makes me feel like I have baby soft skin. Holy grail sheet mask now. Tina said, purchase both the Radiance and Vitalizing face mask and like them both. Has different purposes. Glad to have found a brand that's science-based with fantastic ingredients. So let's see. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's see here. Patent dual liposome technology. Lipo Beauty, I'm going to go with that, allows the functional compounds within the serum to instantly and effectively penetrate through the stratum corneum. Sorry, my brain just shut off. Scientific evidence reveals that within the span of 5 minutes, Lipo Beauty enables the serum to penetrate 10 times deeper into the skin layers, allowing for 50% more efficient penetration. Instead of water, we use pure extract as the first ingredient. Let me scroll down. Formulated without harsh chemicals, irritants, allergens, heavy metals, parabens, phthalates, sulfate, detergents, and artificial colorants, GMOs, gluten, fragrance, mineral oil, and DEA. I do appreciate that they didn't put the apostrophe in the GMOs because a lot of people do that. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. These are the key ingredients. So it has orange daylily flower, watermelon, sweet almond seed, and blue agave, and sodium hyaluronate. And these are the testing results. Scroll down. Here are the full list of ingredients. Scrolling on down, sorry if you hear that music. So that is all the information I have for you today about that product. And the final item in the box is from Mighty Patch. This is the original acne pimple patches. So in the picture here, it said, sorry, it's not loading now, it said 6. So it looks like we would be getting 6 patches in it. So let me show you the info. And let me scroll down. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original Acne Pimple Patches is a nighttime acne patch inspired a way to shrink the look of whiteheads overnight. Made of premium medical grade hydrocolloid, it sucks all the pus out of your pimple while you sleep so you can wake up to clearer looking skin. And this is the info. Medical grade, chemical free, allergy tested, and gentle on all skin types. Visibly sucks out more gunk. Extra adhesive to stay on through tossing, turning, and pillow squishing. Each sheet is a gamma sterilized before sealing. And it's made with ultra high quality hydrocolloid and natural fluid absorbing gel. So then to see a pimple looks ready to pop, that's when the Mighty Patch comes in. So I have one on my face right now, not this brand, and I do need a refill, so I'm not mad to get another set of pimple patches. So this is what it looks like, results in 6 to 8 hours. 4.6 star rating with 3,850 reviews, 90% would recommend. This is the breakdown. And let's see here. Wow, okay. They just said that it works really well and they're really impressed by it. That's basically what it comes down to. Sorry, it's just very long, and also I don't know why it has this like, oh, improve thing all over. I rarely break out and my skin is very adaptable, not picky with products at all, so I'm shocked these didn't work for me. Patches just don't suck anything out of my pimples. I remember I used a different brand years ago and loved pimple patches. Ended up being CosRx brand, or CosRx. Let's see. So I thought I'd give these a try. Affordable, 1 to 2 pimples all summer, and went through a box of these within 3 months because I used a patch on the same pimple 2 to 3 nights in a row because I tried not to pick. Not once did these patches ever surface my pimples or suck anything out. They also don't completely stick to my pimples, literally wasting my money twice. This person said it also didn't work for them. But I'm wondering if it's maybe like for me, I've realized that the pimple needs to be very mature for it to work on my skin. But anyway, that is the final item in the May box. Definitely consider subscribing if you want to see more spoiler videos. I try to make them as soon as I see them. Also, let me know if you want me to make the BoxyCharm by Ipsy spoilers, because I do know how to find those now. And then also, if you're interested in my vlogs, I am going to be trying to push out the Alaska vlogs this week, and also some more travel vlogs, trying to get caught up to present day. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.